Good morning, everyone. A very warm good morning to all our beloved students, esteemed teachers, and staff members. We are thrilled to have you all back after the break, ready to start a new academic year with enthusiasm and vigor. My name is, and I am. We will be your hosts for today's Back to School Assembly. As the sun rises, so does a new academic year filled with hope, promise, and endless possibilities. Today marks the beginning of another chapter in our journey of learning and growth. After a refreshing break, we return to this sacred place where dreams are nurtured and minds are shaped. Welcome back to school, where every day is a new adventure and every lesson a step towards a brighter future. The corridors may have been silent, the classrooms empty, but today they come alive with your laughter, energy, and enthusiasm. Let's fill this year with kindness, hard work, and determination. Let's start this beautiful morning by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. I request everyone to join in the prayer led by Thank you. Now let's honor our nation with pride and respect by singing the national anthem. Please rise. Thank you, everyone. As we stand at the threshold of a new beginning, let's remember that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. With open hearts and eager minds, let's step into this new academic year, ready to embrace all the opportunities and challenges it brings. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our respected principal to address the assembly and share some words of wisdom. Thank you so much for your inspiring words. Next, we have a special performance by They have prepared wonderful to welcome us back to school. Let's give them a big round of applause. That was truly amazing. Thank you for the delightful performance. Now let's hear from one of our beloved teachers who will share some thoughts and tips for the new academic year. Thank you for your valuable insights. Up next, we have a motivational speech by Please welcome her with a round of applause. Thank you for that inspiring speech. Now, we have some important announcements regarding the upcoming events and activities. As we draw this assembly to a close, let's carry forward the enthusiasm and positive energy we have shared this morning. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter in our academic journey. It's a time to set new goals, embrace challenges, and strive for excellence. Remember, each day is a fresh start, a new opportunity to learn, grow, and make a difference. Let's support and uplift each other as we navigate this year together. Let's face this year with courage, compassion, and curiosity. Together, we can achieve great things and make this school year unforgettable. We hope you are as excited as we are to embark on this journey. Let's make every moment count and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you everyone for your presence and participation. Let's make this academic year a phenomenal one. Have a wonderful day ahead and an incredible school year. Thank you. Thank you. Stay positive, stay motivated, and let's make this year shine.